Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we should do is put these headphones into pairing mode. So if I look on the one side here, you see the plus button and the minus button, okay? So first let me go ahead and turn these off. Let me press and hold that plus button for a few seconds. Just wait till I see that red light. Wait, okay, there's that red light, let go, now it's off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in pairing mode. While it is off, I'm going to press and hold that plus button. I'm gonna keep holding and wait until it starts blinking blue, red. Okay, so plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait. There we go, blue, red. Go ahead and let go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to your Android phone. Go to settings. You want to go to Bluetooth. Let me go to connections here. Go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And now that little spinning thing right there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range. And it should show up down here under available devices. Okay, so let me scroll down here. It's still in pairing mode, but it's not showing up here. Let me just stop it. And I'm just going to rescan. Let's see if it finds it now. It's still in the pairing mode. What's going on here? Alright, let me just turn it off. And let me turn it on again. It's still in the pairing mode. And it should show up down here. Oh, there we go. OpenRun by SHOKZ. Let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request with these Android phones. Oh, there we go. Tap on pair. And voila, we are now connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues, you can't put it into pairing mode, or you had problems connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.